happen. I've seen a lot of videos about kids who are not coming to school, being disrespectful, who don't want to learn. But I'm at a school now, Carlinville High School, where kids are thriving. And they're thriving because of the great relationships they have with teachers. They're thriving because of the great relationships they have with one another. And I want to make sure that we don't miss those students. We don't miss the students that are coming to school every day, coming to school when they're tired, coming to school when they work jobs, right? Coming to school even though, they have other things that they may need to do outside of school. But they come to school because they love their teachers, right?
Hi, I'm Danielle, and this is.
Coach Wise.
Can you tell us about the track program?
Yeah, so we're trying to just get more kids out this year, make the track program a little more organized and fun for the students here, and trying to just get the interest in track brought back to Carlinville.
And what's your vision?
The vision is to just create the program back to what it was, bring it back to how successful the track program used to be here at Carlinville. If you go down to the trophy case, track is probably the most successful sport that Carlinville's had. We're just trying to get back to that point.
And the team?
The team this year looks pretty good. We have several athletes that I think can do very, very well, all the way to the state level. So I'm pretty excited about this year.
And the other coaches?
The other coaches, we have a ton of track coaches this year. The big three are Coach Leah. She's helping out with shot and discus. Coach Tunde is helping out with all the sprinters, and Coach Garrison is here coaching pretty much everything. So.
about getting a technical during the game?
It really was very called for. The ref made a horrible call, and I was willing to put myself up there and really show my team. Get away!
Hey, no,
get away!
Hey,
get
no.
away! Get away!
Shout out, Patrick Dunn for getting this going. Student council, awesome job. Hopefully, get another guy like him doing it.
Thank you, Mr. Bowman.
Alrighty. Yeah. It was just pathetic. It was really, honestly, pathetic. The ref made a horrible call, and I was willing to put myself out there for my team, and that's what a good coach should do. And I'm glad that I did.
Well, thank you, Pat.
Thank you.
Hey, it's Kindness Month. How do you guys like to celebrate Valentine's Day?
Spending it with my friends and family. I love to watch movies with my friends and family. I love to give chocolate to my parents.
All right, thank you. Well, what are your thoughts about kindness in our high school?
Kindness goes a long way. So I think it's very important for us to all be appreciative of each other. We don't know what the other person's going through, so it's always best to be kind first.
Thank you.
With
Mr. Hammond.
What is FFA?
FFA, it used to stand for Future Farmers of America, but now is just the National FFA organization we celebrate agriculture, the heritage of agriculture.
What are some upcoming events?
Well, we have the poultry contest coming up here next week, and then after that we have our FFA week.
What is FFA week?
FFA week is a national week that just basically celebrates FFA throughout the whole nation, and we're going to have lots of dress-up days and teacher appreciation days, and just celebrate agriculture and FFA.
How can somebody get involved with FFA?
Well, pretty much all they need to do is come and talk to me or one of the officers, and we'll get them signed up and all that fun stuff.
See ya, thank you.
Kylie Cobb.
And what does FFA mean to you?
To me, FFA is something that's amazing. I have fallen in love with being a part of a group of so many people that share the same interests that I do.
What is Activities Committee?
Activities Committee, we arrange parties and other stuff that will help members.
Is there anything upcoming?
February 17th through the 24th is FFA week, so be on the lookout for dress-up days.
Thank you.
Back at it again. Who am I here with?
Jesse Michael.
What committee are you a part of?
I am part of the Restoration Committee.
What is Restoration Committee?
So the Restoration Committee, we kind of find some older projects like older wagons that need to be fixed up, and then we bring them back to the ag mechanic shop. We fix them, we put newer wood or newer tires on them, and then we send them either to the people who sent them in, or we have a tendency of giving them to people who need them.
How can somebody get involved with the Restoration Committee?
Honestly, anyone and everyone can join. We have the meetings Tuesday after school for rebuilding and stuff, and anyone can ask Mr. Hammond or Brady Roberts, and they can join at any time.
What is FFA to you?
FFA to me is a very good leadership and agricultural opportunity that many can come in and learn, and it really betters someone.
Thank you.
shopping with the Easter Bunny?
So this is the golden 8th or